guys, and welcome to Tinygram, your one stop for all things fun. Durga Puja is just around the corner and I can't stop visualizing her arrival, the festivities, the aroma of amazing and delicious food, the sound of thakis, the fragrance of the aroma of guji, and all things amazing. And this year my inspiration for makeup is none other than the very beautiful and talented Alia Bhatt, who has been rocking this monochromatic, very effortless, chic and glam look. I love this look for the fact that it makes your features really pop and highlights your best features. Also makes you look very glamorous, very stunning and very in the know, because this look is also trending all over social media wherever you see. It's called the cleaner look, if you know what I mean. And monochrome is in. So, without further ado, let's get started. A good base is key to any makeup look, so always start by cleansing your face. Start with washing your face using your favorite face wash. And if you want to prep your skin weeks in advance, I have the perfect video for you. I just link it down in the description box below. That will help prepare your skin for upcoming festivities and give you the flawless glow that you need without spending a lot of money. So I just link that video in the description box below. And let's just move on ahead with today's makeup look. So as I was saying, you need to cleanse your face really well with your favorite face wash. I've already done that. And after cleansing, apply moisturizer and sunscreen if you're gonna step out during the day. I've done all that. I've cleansed my face using my favorite La Roche-Posay face wash. You use yours. My favorite moisturizer, and I have tons and tons of sunscreen on because I have very sensitive skin to sun. With your skin all prepped for the makeup goodies, let's start with the makeup process. Step 1 for a long-lasting foundation is a very good primer. I love using the Benefit's Porefessional for that purpose. It really keeps the foundation in place, especially in the areas like nose and my mouth, where I'm like talking and eating all day, and where the foundation tends to move a lot. And apply it where I have like acne scars, around my mouth, T-zone, and then the leftover. And I'm just going to use my finger to apply the primer. Just dab it around. Next, I'm going to use a medium coverage foundation. I love my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and I am using the shade 5.75. I'm going to shake it really well. Take around 1 to 2 pumps on the back of my hand. I always like applying like tiny dots on my face with the foundation. Don't forget your neck. And then, with the help of a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend it all in.
A few moments later. Approximately 10 hours later.
Next, I'm going to go in with a concealer, and I'm going to use my all-time favorite Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Don't worry about the products that I'm using. I'm going to link all of them down in the description box below. So just sit back, relax with your makeup, and let's get ready together. So I'm going to apply it in here. That might be too much, but trying to blend in the concealer. I'm going to take the concealer in on my eyelids too, just to kind of prime my eyelids for the eyeshadow. The next step in the makeup is filling up these brows. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use these two Benefit products. This is precisely my brow pencil, and this is the clear Kabrow gel to set my eyebrow in place. To start with my brows, I'm going to get my mirror close and brush my eyebrow hair upward with a clean spoolie brush to kind of remove any foundation that I might have accumulated on my eyebrows, and also to comb them and give the shape that I like. So I like to just comb them upwards and then just leave them be. I'm using the shade number 4 in Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. I'm gonna fill it in. I'm gonna fill them upwards very lightly. I'm just gonna follow along the growth of my eyebrow hair and make like really light strokes, filling in the sparse areas and where I feel like I can do with more color. So you do that. With the spoolie end of the eyebrow pencil, I'm just gonna blend in any streaks of eyebrow pencil I might have left behind and make it look nice and seamless and blended. Once my eyebrow pencil is blended, I'm gonna set everything in place using this 24-hour brow setter. It's clear gel, so it just sets the eyebrow hair well in place. For my eyeshadows, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Nude Medium palette. It is my all-time favorite palette. I'm going to use this shade, this brown shade right over here on my crease with a fluffy brush. So I'm going to just dab the brush in the product, tap off the excess, and blend the color just upwards, and I'm not going to bring the color down. I'm just going to move it here towards the eyebrow, almost like a flick. For the rest of my lid, I'm going to use a different clean brush, and I'm going to mix in this like almost a brick red and this kind of like a pink shade together and apply it all over my eyelid. It's almost the same color, but I'm just creating like a nice even base for the fun stuff to go on. That's glitter. Once the cream brush is nice and blended, I'm gonna set it in place using this NARS blush. This is called Orgasm. This blush has like tiny flecks of gold and it gives like a really nice sheen to the cheekbones. Especially when you move it around, it gives a nice dewy, glowy finish. And it's perfect for the festive vibes that we're going for. So I'm just gonna apply it only on the areas where I do have the blush, the cream blush on. Then I'm gonna take some highlighter on my pinky finger and apply it on the inner corner of my eye, just a little bit. For my lipstick, I'm gonna apply this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I know this is Alia Bhatt's favorite, so that's what she probably has on. So with that, I'm gonna take. I need to sharpen this. I'll be right back. Now that my entire makeup look is done, it's very important to seal everything and lock everything in place using a setting spray. For that, I'm going to use this Mario Badescu setting spray in rose water. This is not only a setting spray, but it's also a very good toner. It's 2-in-1. I like when a product does multiple jobs. While this dries, I'm gonna finish getting ready and show you my final look.